then remove these from all around the bumper underneath. So these are going to be underneath here. So they're going to be like right up through here. And then for this top one right here, you're going to pull these off. So in front of the tire, you're going to pull these off, and then you're going to pull this piece back, and there's going to be this bolt up top there that you can get to. All right, so you can then peel this back by just lifting these two tabs here, and you can kind of just let something set on it. You don't have to take the whole bumper off for the headlights. You know, some people say disconnect all the wires and everything. No, you don't have to do that. You just get this down.
I'm sure you leave me on my own.